Hi there again folks, it's Diane from Spencer Ugg Sewing Patterns, and you probably already know by now that all my sewing patterns are suitable for domestic sewing machines. And this one is suitable for just about any fabric you can put your hands on. This is the Totini Tote. It's a stylish and compact mini tote crossbody bag that combines fashion and functionality with ergonomic handles, a spacious interior and a secure inside zip pocket. It has an optional jaunty little scarf embellishment and also an optional crossbody strap. And it's such a versatile pattern. Make it as a fashionable teeny tote, hence the name Totini. You can add the optional crossbody strap for a crossbody tote, or just add the crossbody strap and leave out the tote handles. Or you can add no straps at all and use it as a cosmetic bag. You can build your own combination. It's designed for ease of construction and there's no binding involved. It's a delightful project for sewing enthusiasts of all skill levels. It's an easy and relatively quick sew with really thorough instructions, and they're provided in both written and video format, so follow whichever you prefer. I also provide you with both printable pattern pieces and also measurements, so you can cut with a quilt rule if you prefer a no print option. This bag is perfect for everyday use or a night out. Dress it up for a wedding or make it casual. It even makes a great gift for little girls. How cute would it be as a mummy and me tote? So let's take a quick look at the features of this bag. The outside features grab handles to front and back to give it its cute shape. You can make these with webbing or fabric, and there's instructions for both included. Or why not make the grab handles longer for an underarm style? The ends are firmly embedded into the feature front and back seam for added strength. You can even make it without the grab handles for a clutch or a cosmetic bag. Plus it has an optional adjustable and detachable crossbody strap, or make with just the detachable strap as a handy crossbody. There's so many looks. I also show you how to make this cute scarf accessory to pimp up any of your bags. It has a strengthened, firm, sturdy base to decorate as you wish, or even add bag feet. It has an easy make box bottom method, so there's no measuring of angles and it goes together like a dream, and the corners are lovely and sharp. To the top is a secure, wide opening zip top closure. And then on the inside, there's a generous main compartment with ample room for your wallet, keys, phone and makeup. It's got a super snug fitted lining, no rumples in here, a secure inside zip pocket for your valuables, and the bag turns through this so there's no unsightly seams in the lining and there's no binding. In the video, as a little extra, I also show you how to add an additional slip pocket to any bag of your choice. The approximate finished dimensions are in centimetres 30 by 18 by 9 deep. In inches, that's 12 by 7 by 3.5 inches. You can even add a separate little Lewis wallet to make a matching set. I do love the Lewis wallet, it's one of my favourites. The testers made loads of these. They found them super quick and satisfying. In this world of unreality, I feel I need to start stating our testers do not use any AI to tweak their photographs. What you're seeing is true photos and true cuteness. Thank you testers, some lovely, lovely samples here. As usual, it's a full written pattern illustrated with lots of colour photographs all the way through, and I provide full-size computer drafted pattern pieces which print onto A4 or US letter size paper. And it has a no print option too, so there's no worries if you don't have a printer or you don't want to print the supplied pattern pieces. You can make it from the easy rectangle measurements given in imperial and metric. Make it in just about any fabric, from quilt cotton to upholstery fabric and vinyl to wax canvas. Use it as a tote, a crossbody, an underarm style or just a clutch. It's the perfect multitasking pattern for making different styles. You can get the pattern on my website now at www.spencerogg.com. It's an instant download PDF and the link is in the text below, or just head to my website directly where you'll find dozens of my bag making patterns in a huge range of designs, all with easy instructions and most now with videos too. Sign up to my newsletter to get all the news on new patterns and freebies as they launch. The Spencerog Facebook group is a hive of bag making knowledge, so please head on over to join. The link is below in the text, just scroll down. Show photos of your makes and ask anything you need to know about my patterns or about bag making in general. I hope you like the Totini Tote as much as myself and my testers did. It's so much fun. If you want to make one with me, then just grab the pattern and let's go sew.